In the heart of Japan, where tradition intertwines with the pulse of modernity, Kaihara Burner Manufacturing Co. Ltd. stands as a beacon of innovation and craftsmanship. This company, steeped in a legacy that harkens back to the late 19th century when the kerosene burner first illuminated homes across the globe, has taken on the audacious challenge of reviving a fading art form. As the world has shifted towards sleek, automated appliances, the humble oil stove has all but vanished from the collective consciousness. Yet, in the midst of this technological tide, Kaihara Burner Manufacturing dares to celebrate the beauty of analog craftsmanship. The founder, Mr. Kaihara, a visionary with an unwavering passion for the art of burner making, recognized that the kerosene burner was more than just a tool. It was a vessel of warmth, a symbol of human ingenuity. He understood that the act of controlling fire, of harnessing its flickering light and warmth, is something deeply primal and profoundly satisfying. With this philosophy at the core of his mission, he rallied a team of skilled artisans, each of whom shared his reverence for this craft. Together they embarked on a journey to breathe new life into a nearly forgotten legacy. The process of creating a Kaihara burner is an intricate dance of skill and artistry. Every burner is handcrafted, a testament to the dedication and patience of the artisans who pour their souls into each piece. From the selection of materials to the final assembly, every step is executed with meticulous care. The artisans, equipped with time-honored techniques, shape metal and glass with a reverence that echoes the traditions of their forebears. He understands the process behind his precision engineering from years of trial and error. Mr. Kaihara will always be known for sitting at the top of a class for his workmanship. He has to make sure that the right uses of mixture of flux and brawling of metals and the right correct fluid flow is no excessive flow hitting his metal burners. They understand that each burner is not merely a product, but a work of art with a story, connected to the past, and a promise of warmth for the future. As the world rushes forward, embracing the convenience of digital solutions, Kaihara Burner Manufacturing stands firm in its belief that there is value in the tactile, the hands-on experience of creation. The company's workshops are alive with the sounds of hammers striking metal, the gentle hum of machinery, and the laughter of artisans sharing stories as they work side by side. It is a place where time slows down, where the hurried pace of modern life gives way to the joy of creation. Customers who choose a Kaihara burner are not just purchasing a product. They are investing in a piece of art, a handcrafted item that embodies the spirit of dedication and passion. Mr. Kaihara's vision extends beyond the burners themselves. He aims to cultivate a community that appreciates the beauty of craftsmanship and the joy of engaging with fire. Workshops and demonstrations are held regularly, inviting enthusiasts and curious newcomers alike to experience the process firsthand. Participants learn not only how to use the burners but also the stories behind them, the history that has shaped their design, and the artistry that defines their creation. In these moments, the connection between the past and present becomes tangible, as participants leave with a newfound appreciation for the art of burner making. As Kaihara Burner Manufacturing continues to thrive, it stands as a testament to the power of bold challenges and the revival of fading legacies. In an age dominated by mass production and automation, Mr. Kaihara and his team have chosen to forge a different path, one that celebrates the joy of craftsmanship and the warmth of fire. They remind us that in the delicate dance of flame, there exists a beauty that transcends time, a legacy worth reviving. With each handcrafted burner, they invite us to slow down, to savor the moment, and to reconnect with a tradition that has the power to warm not just our homes, but our hearts as well.